Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today we are going to corn on a cob challenge. Yes, we are going to race and eat stuff. You know, if you're new, thanks for joining. Like, subscribe, share. Welcome to the family. If you're not already new, this is my sister Kayla and my other sister Mary. We are going to race and try them corn. It not seem that hard, but maybe.
Yeah, it are true.
But maybe it will be. So this is my corn.
This is my corn.
Alright. So when to start. So is there any rules you guys wanna if one single one the pan you wanna lose both? Oh my god. We don't want a single one left pan.
So we have to clean it.
Bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
God come. Why? Yeah, all the professionals do that and win. Yeah.
So we have to what? You're mad, throw the one, there's something.
Yeah, you're
Are you in there? Are you? Come now, ready, set, go.
Oh, girl.
Bone. You're wearing my sister.
Oh man, go in.
Can't have rotten teeth.
Go.
Guys, look at that with you.
I'm can't fall in the
I'm not telling you this, I'm not forceful up my mouth. I'm not nothing to me.
I win in this game, you
When?
I'm not going to for one, so. Yes, so you can't have one. Guys.
What the fuck are we in a car race?
Because I don't know.
I don't give a KFC sweet corn, I just wild corn, like. Mary, that's so much of your rotten teeth. Mary, you shouldn't have me so. No, you want to go full of tough piece and soft piece. You have to put on your rotten teeth, them. The extra.
Yeah.
Guys, now wear my cape.
Guys, I've been looking at my glass and cleaning off my face because I don't know where. Now my teeth. Your mouth of empty, you know, so wow! You say, can't Josh, I'm good on with you. I race and I won this game because everything we do, I mean, always lose, and my man asked me, I can't win for one. So I said, I have to win something like, if I'm not today or tomorrow, but me I practice
choose
to
the
win.
hardest one for win.
I lie, the crackers them did harder than this.
I'm first, I'm first.
We
Why would I run to eat them?
take up that some there, come on.
Everything in baby. I run to eat them, you want to eat them. You're wicked, baby.
I'm not wicked, I'm just.
Yeah, because you eat that flag, you have to snap something, you can't eat that flag.
No, you know why I start move so fast too? Because I see she and I start take two big bags in her. I say, alright then, sisters. A pair of teeth here.
Never eat my boy, what's that?
Oh, lock your mouth. We have got cover your mouth in our live video.
You know, oh yeah, so like with so much rotten teeth.
I'm done, guys.
Wow!
Well, guys,
Loser.
we're a loser cake with pride. Man, I'm mash up them teeth down.
Oh, guys, my teeth are strong, you know? I love drink milk, yeah. Some of you say, yeah, milk. You need to drink milk. Guys, yes. Finally, babe, I've won.
A few moments later.
Mama, take her a little time. No, guys.
I love me.
If you have a weird panar. Boom.
That's what I like to eat them.
We can't swallow them.
Extra E.
You can't trust me more.
Because you're swallow them, though.
Hey guys, look at me. Yeah, ready again. I'm gonna eat 2 in time.
You more use your baby.
Check them. You got the
Some
one
zilla from my mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Now when they are
Your
chat,
teeth, too.
I know stuff in my teeth, of course, but
That is not done.
no, take them.
Done where?
The back teeth. Now you pick that.
When the small one was big and she can't eat up the small one.
What you pick, you eat. But look how she had take a little time.
And some lose already. ASMR.
Nobody can hear nothing.
Silent MR.
2 hours later.
Well, I'm the winner. Yes, give me my badge and my trophy. Yes, yes.
Well done.
Well done, Mr. Politician Man. Girl, eat up now. Eat up. Come and chop your mouth. Chop, 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 chop. Oh my god.
Guys, I'm finally finished.
You're just done?
Done so let the rat teeth down.
Kayla, leave me alone.
But Mary, look how much teeth that put that in.
And that's why she couldn't swallow them?
Yeah. So then there's something that's tough. But I think me have to take them out.
We have to eat them.
If me not go as fast as Mary, so I can't come with a look. You can't manage that.
1 eternity later.
Wow, that was nice.
I plan the cab for you become
Tell me, why you always come last? Tell me now.
Oh, me?
a lie.
You always come last.
She always come last, so I first time I come first.
No, me mean third. And second.
Yes, you can't get the first position yet. As I said in my eye class, thank you for watching Flavorful's Adventure. Soon get to our channel. Like, subscribe, yeah, share, yeah, we're out.
Yeah.